So I actually got started in affiliate marketing it's been almost 10 years ago. I always was looking for an opportunity that would allow me to work from home. I'm very much a family guy. I'm married with 3 kids, and I like to be close. I don't like the corporate life. I'm very much against trading a whole week at 9 to 5 in exchange for a weekend. My parents always raised me to be hardworking, and so I was always working really hard, but in the jobs I had, I wasn't making good money. I didn't see a really good future there, so I was looking at business, and the business opportunity that attracted me the most really was affiliate marketing, because I could sell lots of volume of lots of product without having to deal with customer support, without having to deal with suppliers, and not having to deal with any of that stuff. So I started to get very serious about learning good ad copywriting and learning how to use different channels. I started understanding a lot about how to improve conversions on landing pages to different traffic sources. And that was really when things started to change most. I've done a lot more this year working with you than I ever did in my best year on my own. And I tell some people that I'm living the dream because, you don't have to make millions upon millions of dollars to live the dream life like some people did think you do. A couple $100,000 a year is plenty for most people, but I was able to take kind of a dream family vacation this year thanks to my earnings, and I was able to pay for everybody to fly, and we went to some exotic beaches in a different part of Brazil. I flew my parents down. It was all expenses paid. It was just like that dream moment where you feel like you finally made it, and now you just kind of want to celebrate it with your family. Learning paid traffic is the only sustainable form of traffic, because there will always be, paid advertising mediums available. And what I've learned with you is that with the right principles and the right strategy, it doesn't matter, if the channels change, if Facebook changes, or if AdWords changes, or, who changes. The way we advertise, the way I learned with you, it works universally. I've seen other demonstrations that in training programs that are very fake, very forced, and they're always like, oh, well, I'm just doing this for demo, but they don't show you the real campaigns. They don't show you what actually really worked. With your training style, you open up the safe and you show what actually worked, and that was something that was made you very different from other training programs, as you showed the actual real stuff. And it's the kind of advertising and strategy that I can take into just about any kind of business on any kind of channel and be profitable with it. And we've proved that as we've worked in multiple industries. And it's just totally flipped my role from being the wannabe to being one of the masters. The first campaign that I actually went and set up, it made money because the system is that good. And when I saw that, I'm like, oh, wow, now all I have to do is duplicate what I just did. So that's all I did. And I duplicated it so many times that the system became very easy, very streamlined, and the income just kept going up. I've been able to pamper my wife more than I used to. I'm taking more trips, going out to eat, buying jewelry, that kind of stuff, I've been able to spend more time with my kids by not having like a set work schedule. We've been spending more time together. What I'm living now is freedom. I don't have to worry about paying my bills. The bills are always paid on time. Money is not even really a worry. Because if you're persistent in the system that's giving you not what you want, that's what they define insanity as, right? Persisting in the same thing and expecting different results. Well, the system we have works. So by persisting in this system, it's not insane because the results are there. They do work. And you should give up whatever system that's not working for you and invest in this because this does work.